BTW, this is part 2 of Chicken Heist.
You can only pick one. Why do I have to pick one? I want both. Oh, I really want some fried chicken right now. But I really want to save the chicken.
Please save me.
Okay, I'll help you.
Yippee!
We should probably get out of here. Please, stop where you are. Never! 30 minutes later. Oh, I shouldn't have robbed KFC. I'm never, ever, ever gonna do that again.
Bob!
Is someone calling my name?
Bob, you were daydreaming again.
Sorry.
The end. Thank you for watching Chaos and Giggles.